Hey guys, today I'm going to be going and using some bug removers on our vehicle here. Just got back from a 2,400 mile road trip, so we got some good bugs collected on the front and on the windshield here. So we're going to give a few different products a try. Here is AutoMagic bug remover number 620. This is a concentrated bug cleaner. You can dilute it up to 5 to 1. That's what I have it here, is 4 to 1. I wanted it a little stronger just because of all the bugs on here. It's a very easy to use product. So let's give it a shot here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna spray it on the surface. A nice cool surface. We're not gonna have it in the sun. We're not gonna have anything hot. I have some tape here so we can see some before and afters. But you're just gonna spray it on, and you're gonna let it dwell for 30 seconds to a minute. Do not let this dry on your surface. Okay, now we've let it set for about 35 to 45 seconds here. We're gonna let it still do its work here, but you can already see it's starting to loosen up the bugs. The hard crusted on stuff is starting to come off nice and easy. So what I'm gonna use is I have a bug sponge here. We also have what's called a bug block. That's a coarse plastic block that's designed for pulling off bugs as well. But here I have a sponge with a netting outside, and that's going to do great for me. So we're just going to take the bug block or bug sponge. I'm going to start just scrubbing off the bug parts. Here. Oh. All right. Now we're going to rinse. So after our first pass here, it did a pretty good job of what we wanted it to do. You can already see a few spots of bugs on here. But if you take a towel, a lot of those have been loosened up. I'll come right off. There's a few places I have to touch up, down by the lights, but there's some nooks and crannies, but that one quick application of bug remover there took care of most of the bugs. If I took a little more time to get it a little more detailed up, that first pass would be plenty. This was the AutoMagic bug remover number 620.